How to fix the server is busy, please try again later error in DeepSeek. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open DeepSeek, type in something and then click on DeepThink. It only has information from 2023 and before. If you want any information from before, you can simply search in here. If this does not solve your problem, simply try again later after some times when it's not peak hours. If that does not work, simply clear browser cache and cookies. After you have done that, you're good to go. And to clear your browser cache and cookies, press on Ctrl plus Shift plus DEL. It will restart your browser and you're good to go. This is how to fix the server is busy, please try again later error in DeepSeek. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.